personal trainers love a plank to be able to give to their clients. It works so many muscles of the body and is considered one of those really good core exercises because it works all the way around the middle of the abdomen, and it works the back, it works the shoulders, it works the glutes, it works the legs, it works every muscle in the body basically. So PTs love giving it. I love using the suspension fitness trainer to be able to make it a little bit more difficult. So once people are really good and stable on doing a plank and they can keep that nice flat back throughout, adding the extra bit of instability on your feet can make a big difference. So if I've got my feet suspended, coming into a standard plank position, so you'd have your elbows on the floor, and then you just come into your plank like so on the suspension trainer. And this instability, because the ropes can move around all over the place, you have to work a little bit harder to be able to actually make sure that you're keeping stable throughout the movement. Working the thighs a little bit harder to be able to keep the adductors working, and you really have to push the hips up to be able to stop them dropping down like so. So the shoulders work extra hard as well. So working the plank like that does add that little bit of je ne sais quoi. So once I've got used to the plank, then there's a few exercises I like for training the core stability using the suspension trainer. So if we then, rather than being on the elbows or on the hands, you can then come into, I think the official name is a jackknife. I call them bunny hops because you look like a little bunny and you're hopping away. You bring the knees into the chest, you extend. You bring the knees into the chest and extend. Using the abdominals to do the work for you, and the shoulders will be working nice and hard as well. So that's working it in a nice straight line. So the abdominals down the front of the body are working really nicely there. If we want to put in a bit of the obliques, we do it with a twist. So similar movement, but this time you're going knee to elbow. So you start in that plank position, find the stability, and then go knee to elbow and extend. Knee to elbow and extend. Knee to elbow, extend. Knee to elbow, extend, and breathe. It's quite hard work. Then, if you're feeling comfortable with that, taking it into a pike. So the important thing is to keep the shoulders working. We start in that plank position. You lift the bum up into the air, push the shoulders back into the pike, and then extend. Breathe out. Into the pike and back down. Going one more time. Up and extend. So that's the range of movements that I think give a really good core workout. Once you've got used to each of the movements, you can then put it into a combination. So one bunny hop, one knee to elbow, one knee to elbow, and a pike. Simple. So one bunny hop, knee to elbow, and a pike. And extend. Bunny hop, knee to elbow, and a pike. So, you want some more core stability? That will do the job for you.